Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download lessons offline in Duolingo. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to download your lessons offline in Duolingo, you need to have a Super Duolingo or a Max subscription. Though some automatic caching exists for free users, you need to have the specific subscription if you want offline mode. Offline, you can complete lessons, but progress may not sync until you reconnect to your internet if you are a free user. So if you are a max or super user, you need to go to your profile, tap on the plus tab and find available for download. And now click the arrow icon to save lessons. Open the app while connected to Wi-Fi, allowing it to cache upcoming lessons on your learning path. You can also simply activate airplane mode to use the cached lesson. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.